Assalamualaikum and hi students. Let's continue our lesson with sp3d hybridization. So here I have an example PCF5 molecule. Alright, phosphorus pentachloride. Alright, so this is the Lewis structure plus molecular shape of the molecule, and as usual from the Lewis structure or the molecular shape determines the number of electron groups around the central atom. In this case, there are 5 electron groups around the central atom, and since there are 5 electron groups around phosphorus, phosphorus atom will undergo sp3d hybridization, where phosphorus will mix. Okay, phosphorus will mix its s orbital, 3 p orbitals, and one from 5d orbitals. Okay, dia akan mixkan total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbital ini. Orbital D ni dia akan ambil satu daripada 5 orbital D yang phosphorus ada. Alright, the electron group arrangement is trigonal. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal, and according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, the molecular shape also trigonal bipyramidal with bond angle 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Okay, so we will focus on the valence electron ataupun kita fokus dulu kepada electronic configuration of the central atom, which is phosphorus atom. Okay, so here I have the electronic configuration of phosphorus. Okay, proton number 15. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, where phosphorus has 5 valence electrons, which are located in 3s and 3p orbitals. Okay. So now continue with the orbital diagram of the valence electron. Start with ground state of phosphorus. Okay, so kita boleh tulis juga sebagai ground state sahaja. Tapi you mesti fahamlah, kita fokus kepada central atom. So the ground state, okay, saya nak gunakan orbital diagram tu dalam bentuk line. So kali ni saya tak buat box, saya buat line sahaja. So we have 3s, okay, where in 3s orbitals there are 2 electrons. Okay, followed by 3p, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3p. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 electrons, and since previously, okay, before this kita dah tentukan bahawa phosphorus will undergo sp3d hybridization. Maksudnya sekarang dia akan involve 3d orbitals. Okay, maksudnya phosphorus akan involve 3d orbitals, and since phosphorus is an element from period 3, it has empty 3d orbitals. Jadi it is compulsory, wajib kita lukiskan orbital 3D yang empty, yang kosong di sini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and label it as 3D. Okay? Alright. Okay. Jadinya sekarang kalau you refer kepada Lewis structure or the molecular shape yang saya dah lukis tadi. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bonds. Okay? Jadi kita nak tunjukkan dalam how the sigma bonds form. Alright, so in order to form 5 sigma bonds, phosphorus needs 5 unpaired electron. Jadi kalau kita lihat kepada ground state, there are only 3 unpaired electrons. So in order to get 5 unpaired electrons, 1 electron from 3s orbital will be promoted or excited to empty orbitals in 3D subshell. Okay, jadi akan berlaku proses excited of electron ataupun promotion of electron. Okay, jadi kita boleh tulis the next state adalah promotion of electron ataupun excited state. Okay, elektron itu diuja ataupun teruja ke higher energy level, which is 3D. So kita boleh tulis excited state ataupun promotion of electron seperti contoh-contoh sebelum ini. So what happen at the end, we will get 3s occupied by 1 electron. Okay, 3p, 1, 2, 3. You can see here 3p, there are 3 electrons, 3 unpaired electrons. And in 3d orbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one of the 3d orbitals occupied by 1 unpaired electron. Okay, so you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unpaired electrons. And in order to form a new set of hybrid orbital, di mana kita dah lihat tadi bahawa phosphorus ini undergoes sp3d hybridization. So what happened? Phosphorus atom will mix, okay, ataupun dia akan undergoes hybridization where dia akan mix, dia akan hybridkan 3s orbital, 3p orbitals and one of 3d orbitals dia untuk menghasilkan satu set orbital yang baru which is called sp3d. So we will have here sp3d hybridization state. And a new set of hybrid orbitals will be formed. Okay, a new set itu ada berapa orbital? Ada 5. Because kita mixkan 5 orbital. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each ini adalah sp3d, 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 sp3d. So dalam setiap orbital ini ada 1 unpaired electron. So total we have 5 unpaired electrons and left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3D empty orbitals. Alright? Okay, jadi maksudnya untuk show the orbital overlapping, we will use these hybrid orbitals and the valence electron of chlorine. Okay, so we will continue in the next page. Okay, jadinya sekarang kalau kita lihat, saya tulis semula sebagai panduan. Okay, kita akan lihat sp3d hybrid orbital, okay, of phosphorus. Jadi macam mana? Kita ada 5 tadi lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, setiap satu ini adalah sp3d, 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 sp3d with unpaired electrons di dalamnya. Okay, now if you refer to the Lewis structure, okay, you can see here the sigma bond will form from the overlapping between from the sharing of electron between phosphorus and chlorine atoms. Alright, so we need 5 chlorine atoms. So maksudnya sekarang kita perlukan valence electron of chlorine. So saya tulis dulu electronic configuration yang penuh bagi chlorine. This proton number 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So chlorine has 7 valence electron which are located in 3s and 3p. Jadi kalau kita refer kepada orbital diagram chlorine, kita ada 3s kat sini with 2 electrons and 3p, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jadi to form one sigma bond, maksudnya apa? Akan berlaku sharing of electron between phosphorus and chlorine yang melibatkan valence electron. Tetapi valence electron itu berada di mana? So maksudnya phosphorus akan contribute the valence electron which occupy sp3d orbitals. Okay, share dengan yang untuk chlorine yang berada pada 3p. So bila dia share, dia akan overlap menghasilkan satu sigma bond. Jadi kita perlukan lagi 4 chlorine lah. Cuma kita lukis sekali sahaja. Okey, jadi bagaimanakah rupa sp3d hybrid orbitals? Kita dah belajar tadi dari segi molecular shape, ini adalah berbentuk trigonal bipyramidal. And from the previous lesson, saya dah tunjukkan bahawa sp3d hybrid orbitals, the shape is trigonal bipyramidal. So kita kena lukis. So how to show the orbital overlapping? Jadi yang ini yang saya tunjukkan ini sekarang adalah orbital overlapping to show the formation of sigma bonds. So we start with sp3d hybrid orbitals of phosphorus. Okay, one. Okay. Okay, betul-betul Two. Okay, four. And five. Pastikan saiz tu lebih kurang sama. Okay. So bila you lukis on paper, lebih mudah lah untuk you control you punya tangan. Okay. So this hybrid orbital adalah sp3d. Okay. sp3d. Labelkan semua sp3d. Each loops. Setiap loops tu kita label sp3d which is belongs to phosphorus. So nak label kat tengah ni boleh. Tapi kalau tak nampak, kita label sajalah di tepinya. Phosphorus. And in each hybrid orbitals occupied by one unpaired electrons. Okay. Jadi sekarang kita nak show the formation of sigma bonds where sharing of electron occurred between phosphorus and chlorine. Jadi overlapping akan berlaku antara sp3d orbitals and 3p orbitals of chlorine secara end to end. Jadi kena lukis end to end sebab sigma bond mesti form daripada overlapping secara end to end. Okay, so let's say I want to use green color. Alright. 3p, we are going to draw 3p orbitals of chlorine overlapping secara end to end. Okay, let's start here. Let's say 1, 2. Okay, mungkin dalam ni terlalu besar kot. Saya kecilkan sikit lah. Okay. Okay, so sekejap saya settlekan yang ni dulu. Okay, jadi ini orbital 3p for chlorine atom. So dalamnya maksudnya chlorine akan contribute satu elektron. So bila dia share dia akan overlap dan di kawasan yang dia overlap akan ada electrons with opposite spin. So now you get one sigma bond. Okay, saya labelkan macam ni lah, satu sigma bond. Okay, sambung lagi dengan yang lain sampai siap. Okay, so here the overlapping of hybrid orbitals of phosphorus and 3p orbitals of chlorine secara end to end. Okay, so don't forget to explain how the sigma bonds form and from the overlapping kita kena explain juga tentang molecular shape which is predicted from Vesper theory. So you can use the lecture notes as a guideline. Okay, seperti yang saya pernah mention sebelum ni, ramai pelajar terlupa untuk explain ni. Okay, dia ingat dengan dah draw the orbital diagram overlapping dah settle. Jadi jangan lupa maksudnya explanation ini wajib ada. It is compulsory. Alright. Okay class, that's all for sp3d hybridization. Thank you.